Hello and happy Friday. Welcome back to another PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we open them together so we can see some of the new makeup launches. I normally go through and like swatch everything, so if that sounds good, let's go ahead and get started. Too much this week because we have so many boxes to get through. So up first, I got something from COVERGIRL and they came in like these little saran wraps here, and I believe these are some new lip products from them. So these are their brand new Outlast All Day Custom Nudes. So there are a bunch of different nudes, basically a nude for every skin tone. So we have in here, these ones are the medium cool, so they have like a medium cool nude. There's also a medium warm, we have a light warm, deep cool, light cool, universal nude, and a deep nude. So basically everyone can find their nude shades. So let's open a few of these. So I think the one that I'm going more towards is like the light warm and then also the light cool, and I'll kind of see the difference between these two. So it says that this is a 24-hour wear, so I'm guessing it's gonna be like a liquid lipstick, and then I think the second one is like a gloss topper. So I'll go ahead and swatch a few of these shades. The formula seems really nice. And then we have the topper, which is just like a clear topper, so that would go right over top. And I don't want to put it right over top at first because it needs to dry down a little bit. So this one was the light cool, and there is what it looks like, and then right next to it I did put the gloss. So once this dries down, you can put the gloss down over top of it. And 24 hours, I love this color, so cute. And then I also want to try out the light warm shades. So I'm just going to swatch this one without the top coat because it's going to be the same, and show you guys this one. It's a really pretty like peachy nude. So there is that one, the light warm. I'm so excited to try these out. The formula of them like on these swatches looks really nice. It looks like it's gonna dry down nice as well. So super excited about these from COVERGIRL, and there are so many different nudes. So obviously you can find like your perfect shade in these, which I think is great. So next up, I'm opening a box here from ColourPop. So let's see what we have inside of here. So I do have a new code with ColourPop. I know a lot of you guys are saying that my code isn't working with them, but now my new code is gonna be 5Molly. So hopefully this one will be the one that stays with ColourPop. That will get you $5 off your $10 purchase. This is so exciting. So they sent over their new spring collection. Maybe I'll do a video with this. This will be fun. So we have the Sweet Talk palette. The packaging on this whole collection is so cute. So here is what the palette looks like on the inside. This is so pretty. I love this. Here we go. Super gorgeous. I'm obsessed with these like glittery shades in here. I bet these are gonna be really pretty. I love that everyone's doing glitters. I love ColourPop's formula. So I'm gonna show you guys, like here are a few swatches from the palette. So you have the glitter, and then one of them is just like one of their regular metallics. So there are a couple swatches. Obviously with the glitter shades, it's gonna be hard to swatch, but there on the end, this one here is one of their metallics. Super pretty. Maybe I will do like a first impressions on this, like trying everything out. We also have some lip products a part of this collection. They also put in here some of their Jelly Much shadows. We have some new shades of those a part of this collection as well. And then it looks like there are a couple of blushes. I have two different blushes as well. Let me swatch one of these. I love their formula of blushes. They're kind of like a cream formula, but they're not. They are really nice. I love them on the cheeks, especially in the summertime. I use them a lot. So this one here is called Growth Flirt, which is a cute name. I have glitter on this finger, so let me put it on this finger. So they're just a very like buttery formula. They're so nice. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the swatch of that one. Super pretty shade, perfect for like spring, obviously with this line. I'm really excited to try out these products, super cool. And comment down below if you guys do want to see a first impressions using all of these products. This next box here came over from the Farsali team. I just realized I had lipstick on my teeth. I swear if I had it on the entire time, you guys, I'm so sorry. Up next we have from Farsali. It looks like they just stacked me up on a bunch of their elixirs. So we have the Skin Tune Blur, which I actually have on my face today. We have their Unicorn Essence. Also have their Rose Gold Elixir, which is one of my favorites. And then they actually put in here the Volcanic Elixir, which I've never tried this one. This is the only one that I've never tried. I love all of their other oils. I'm such a fan of this brand in general. And then they also put in here some of their jelly beams. So the jelly beams are like their jelly highlights that are so much fun. So we have the shade Glazed, Rose Golds, and then also Glow Up. Super cool to restock me on a bunch of my faves from them. I love Farsali, so thank you so much for that package. All right, getting into the next box. This is from the Balm. All right, so inside of here we have an I Love Balm Beach. This is so cute, a little hat. I put it on, but it's gonna mess up my hair. So I have this cute little hat. Here it says, Dear Molly, pop the trunk. Don't miss out. There's something revolutionary in the trunk. Enjoy your new products. Can't wait to see your looks. Super cute. So these are their new little palettes. I'm so excited about these. Their packaging, I swear. They come up with the like most unique packaging ever. Oh my God, this is so cute. I cannot. Look at, they have it all in like these little cars. This is so cute. Okay, so first up we have the I Love the Balm, and this says eye priming is everything, a black eyeshadow primer, and then also a regular, like a neutral. So I wonder if these are the same primers that come inside of those palettes, like their most recent What's the Tea palettes. I wonder if those are the same. We also have in here a swing eyeliner, which is my favorite ever, and then the What's Your Type black mascara as well, and then these little cars. Oh my God, these are so cute. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. And then I'm guessing the little palettes are, oh, you have to pop the trunk actually. This is adorable. Okay, so inside we have the palette, and they sent me doubles, which I love the Balm so much because they always send me extras to give to you guys, which I think is so sweet of them. So this is the Day to Night palette. So here is what the inside of that palette looks like. So again, you have the base, and then we have some really pretty colors in this one. I really like this blue. We have gold in here. I love the Balm's like eyeshadows. I think they are so good. Oh my God, that blue is so pretty. Ah, yes. I'm going to have to do a video on these, you guys, because these are too cute not to. And then we have the other palettes. Let me pull one of these out. The next one is the Pick Perf palette. So this one is a yellow palette. Again, super cute tones in this one, too. We have, like, green, and I really like this, like, bright icy shade here. Let me swatch these ones. Ooh, that's kind of like a duochrome shade, that first one. Super cute. Okay, and then the last one we have is the Girl Powder, and this one says this one is a Cheeks to Go, so I think this one here is like a face palette. I'm using the thing because my nails just, I don't want to break my nails. Yeah, so this one is a face palette. So inside of here you have the 4 different shades. So you have blushes and then a highlight. So let me swatch the highlight, and I'll swatch one of the blushes for you guys too. These palettes are adorable. I cannot get over this packaging. It's so fun. So there is the swatch. Ooh, that highlight is pretty. Of the highlight and the blush from that palette there. Super sweet package from the Balm. These are seriously so cute. Comment down below if you guys want to see a video on these as well, because I think they're so stinking cute. And stay tuned for a future giveaway from me coming soon, because I'll throw those palettes in there for you guys. Up next, we have a package that came over from Buxom. Okay, so inside of here, I think these are their new lippies. So these are their new Serial Kisser Plumping Lip Stain. So it says Killer Hydration, Killer Shine, and Killer Wear. These are going to be $22 each, and will be available on the 5th at Sephora and the 21st at Ulta. I'm excited to test out this formula. I love so many of Buxom Lips products. Honestly, you guys, they're some of my most used. I'm actually wearing the Mauve Collins gloss today. It's my favorite new one. That one came from their spring collection that I opened, I believe it was my last PR unboxing. So they put in here one of their lash mascaras, and then here are all of the new lippies. So there are a bunch of different colors of these. So I'll show you guys a few colors that kind of interest me. So Make Out is going to be like a mauve shade, which is my favorite. So here is the packaging on here, and then I'm not sure if this is a pull-up or a twist. Let's see. So it is a twist. Okay, so it has a applicator, like a doe foot applicator, and it's going to be like a lip stain. So it's going to be kind of watery when I swatch it, but there is a swatch of that one. I'm excited to test out this formula for sure. I'll show you guys another one of the shades. So we have the shade Smooch up next. So this one's going to be like a peachy one. I wonder how long these are going to stay for, because it's a lip stain. It's probably going to stay really long on the lips. So there is this shade Smooch. I'm really curious about this formula. Super cool. I'm going to swatch. We'll do one more. This one is Pucker Up Dolly. And I'll go ahead and swatch this one. Super nice. This one's like a really vampy shade right there. I'm really excited about these. How cool. Big thank you to Buxom for sending these over, and I definitely have to try these out really soon and see how they wear, and I'll let you guys know for sure. These are definitely going to be staying power because I'm going so hard with these things and they're still just like swatched on my hands. So that's going to show us that these are going to last a long time on the lips. Next box I'm opening came over from LILAH B. Alright, so on the inside we have this little bag right here. It says LILAH B at the top. I thought you might enjoy some LILAH B refills. How sweet. So we have some of their Duo Lip and Cheeks. These are like a cream lip and cheek product. And they also sent me over a lip brush as well. This feels so heavy. It feels so nice. And then they also sent me some of their Glow face mist. You guys, I've been using this a bunch and I really like it. Super, super cool. I'll show you guys one of the lip cheeks just so you guys can see. So they're the ones that have like these super luxurious, like heavy packaging. It's so sweet. Ooh, this one's pretty. So here's what that looks like. So again, this is like a lip or a cheek stain. It's a cream product. This one would be pretty for summertime, like blended out. These are pretty on the cheeks, like you could apply them as blush and they're super pretty, but they'd also be nice as like a lip stain as well. Super cute. Thank you, LILAH B. That was really sweet, you guys. So up next, I think we got some skincare. This one came over from Fresh. So it says, here's a first look at our biggest 2019 launch, the Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask. Ooh, it launches on April 9th. The 2-step mask replenishes oxygen moisture overnight so you wake up with hydrated skin. We call it a full night's rest in a jar. Okay, so here is what it looks like. So it's going to have 2 different sides to it. So it's going to have the replenish, like the moisturizer, and then also like the dewy skin side. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Let me smell it. It smells good. It smells like roses. I love their Rose Hydration Toner. I use that one every single day. It is my absolute favorite. I think there's one of those in here as well. They have like a little mini one in here, which this is the toner I'm talking about. It has like the rose petals in it. You guys, this is the best toner I've ever tried. I love it so much. And then also in here we have their Soy Face Cleanser. Never tried that, so I'll have to try that out. And then we also have a Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream as well. Super cute. Thank you so much to Fresh. This all sounds amazing and I need hydration on my skin right now, so this is perfect. All right, so up next we got this box right here. It's a pink box and it says, life's too short to say no to cake, but I'm not sure who this is from. So it says here that this is Cake Beauty. When life throws you lemons, make a cake. Ooh, cute. Okay, so we have a new product or a new line, I think. So let's open this up. So this is Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty, the Big Wig Thickening Volume Conditioner. So here's what that one looks like. It looks like they are cruelty-free and vegan. And then we also have in here the Totally to Die For Sulfate-Free Thickening Volume Shampoo. Awesome, I'll have to give these a try. We also have a hair care product in here as well. The Mane Manager, this is a 3-in-1 treatment, so it's like a leave-in conditioner. The Smooth Move, this is a Totally to Die For Moisture Melt Hair Mask. Awesome, and then the Take Out, this is a dry shampoo sheets. Ooh, cool. So they're like actual just like little blotting sheets that you can use for your hair. Super awesome. And then there's also a bunch of lemon heads in here, which you guys, I haven't had lemon heads in a million years. So this is what the box looks like. On the inside, we had like the little lemon heads. This is so cute. So it says that you can find these products at Walgreens and they are going to be $8.99 each. The mask is only $2.99. So super affordable products. Definitely really cool. Have to check these out. If you see them at Walgreens, let me know. I'm really excited to try out this brand. Super fun. So next up, we got this giant box right here, and I am not sure who this one is from. So I'll have to go ahead and open this one and see. Okay, so the box says "Open Me" on it, but I'm still not sure who this is. So let's see. I love the surprise of it, honestly. Like, you have no idea. Oh, all right, we got music. Got like some spring, like some birds going off in here. So it looks like this is from Clairol. Let me open this. Okay, I was like, is it gonna stop? Okay, so on the inside, oh, how fun. Okay, so we have their Natural Instincts. This is their new line. So this is the Natural Instincts hair care line. So we have here a couple of different colors in this. We have a black, there is a medium cool blonde in here. We also have a light red, which might be perfect for me to try. Here's what that one looks like. And then it looks like we have a bottle that has the message inside of here, probably telling us about the products. This is so cool. I'm like, I don't even know how to open this, but I figured it out. Okay, so let's pull up the little message. This is so cute. So also in here, there's this little coconut. So it says Coconut Cove. It's actually a candle. How cute. I can smell the coconut. It smells so good. So again, this is their Escape the Ordinary. Discover a whole new way of shine with nourishing semi-permanent hair color enriched with coconut oil, aloe vera, and 80% naturally devised ingredients. It lasts for 28 washes, which is great. So it says they have 37 shades to choose from. How awesome. Super cool. This was such a fun little packs here from Clairol. Thank you guys. We just have 2 more things here. So up next we got from Dermalogica. And inside of here it says introducing the Master Multitasker. So this is the Prisma Protect SPF 30. So it says it defends against UV lights and also hydrates for visibly smooth skin. Light activated algae boosts skin natural luminosity. Awesome. So we got a new SPF. I love the packaging on this. It has like a holographic packaging. I'm excited to try this out. I'm going to show you guys what the formula looks like. See how it looks. So it looks like it's going to be a lightweight, like nothing too heavy. And it doesn't feel like it's going to be really thick or anything. I blended it out right here. I will definitely have to give this a try. I am going on vacation here in a couple weeks, so this came at the perfect time. All right, we are down to the bottom of the pile. We have the last box here, and this one came over from Too Faced. So on the inside of here, it says the Naughty Side of Natural, the Natural Lust. So this was what was inside of here. So I think this is their new Natural Lust palette or collection. So it looks like mine kind of came undone in here. Hopefully nothing's broke. But we have the Natural Lust Bronzer. So this is a new bronzer. Super cute packaging. How fun is this? This is the outer packaging. And there's what the bronzer looks like. I love this large pan. This is really big. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Maybe I'll do a video on this collection for you. We have so much videos for next week, but there's a swatch of the bronzer. I kind of just rubbed them together there. And then we also have the Natural Lust eyeshadow palette. Again, the packaging, so cute packaging on this. And hopefully, okay, it's not broken. I was nervous because it was slid around in here. Like it looks like they're supposed to be like stuck on the box, and they were just kind of floating around. So that got me a little bit nervous. But here is what the palette looks like. This is so pretty. So many different pans in here. I love the tones of this. We also have a nice mirror on here as well. So I'll go ahead and swatch a couple shades for you guys. Okay, it swatched a little better when I went over it a second time, but there are a couple of swatches there. Super pretty. I like how like neutral this is, but you still have some fun like berry shades in here. You have a blue shade. So again, if you guys want to see me testing out these products, just let me know down below. But after that, so that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of these new makeup launches. What a crazy week. A big thank you to all of the brands for sending over all of these packages, and a big thank you to you guys as always for making these videos possible for me. I hope you did like it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you guys go. Let me know what you guys are most excited about down below. Any products you want to see first impressions with, reviews on, anything like that. Drop it down in the comment section. I will see you guys in Monday's video. Bye, friends.